Andrew at Painless here, and today I'm going to go over our different relay offerings and the benefits of using a relay. Relays are the best way to make sure that your components receive maximum battery voltage while protecting your main electrical system from any voltage spikes that could create issues. Here at Painless, we offer many different relay options, everything from electric fans to an electric fuel pump, water pump, headlights, and even universal offerings. For electric fans, we offer many different options, from simple ones that you can control with a toggle switch, some that'll use a thermostatic switch, some that an ECM will control, and we even have some that have an adjustable thermostatic switch. This gives you the easy ability to adjust it without having to have any extra controllers or electrical boards. Most of our relay kits are offered in a standard version or a weatherproof version that has a sealed relay and a sealed relay base. We even have a high amperage version that has a relay that will handle 70 amps continuous. On top of relay kits complete with the TXL wire, we also offer relay bases, terminals, and a relay itself for those wanting to just cut and wire in the relay without having to splice in a pigtail. So why would you use a relay? Well, a relay pulls its power directly from the battery and keeps your components safe. So for an example, let's talk about halogen headlights. Halogen headlights draw a lot of amperage, and that running through your switch can cause your switch to fail early. If you go ahead and use a relay, you're not only going to protect your switch, but you're going to get a direct battery power directly to your headlights. That's going to give them more consistent power, and they're going to be brighter. Every relay kit utilizes high-grade TXL wire, and they're produced right here in Fort Worth, Texas. All the bases are machine crimped and have OE quality. If you have any other questions, you can always give us a call at 1-800-423-9696, Monday through Friday, 8 to 5, or just visit our website at www.painlessperformance.com and see our relay kits as well as our entire product line.